everyone, welcome back to the Drive Vault. So, imagine you're cruising down a mountain road, windows cracked open, soft sunlight pouring in, and your home, your literal luxury home, is gliding behind the wheel of a Toyota. Sounds unreal, right? Well, not anymore, because Toyota just redefined what it means to travel in style. This isn't your average RV. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome, a moving masterpiece that blends the soul of adventure with the precision of luxury engineering. At first glance, you can tell something special is going on here. The exterior looks like Toyota took design cues straight from a luxury yacht and fused them with the bold stance of a Sequoia. It's smooth, aerodynamic, and yet muscular, with clean LED light strips that wrap around the body, sculpted aluminum panels, and a two-tone finish that practically shouts sophistication. Even the front grille has that signature Toyota presence, bold yet elegant, perfectly balanced between rugged utility and modern minimalism. Every curve feels intentional, like it's built not just to move, but to make a statement while doing it. And when you step closer, that's when things really start to sink in. The chrome-trimmed windows, the retractable side awning that extends automatically at the push of a button, the sleek side mirrors with integrated cameras. Everything has been designed with a level of detail that feels more Bentley than Toyota. You almost forget this is an RV until you see the subtle slide-outs expanding to reveal the living area. And that's when you realize this is not just for camping, this is for living. Now, let's step inside, and trust me, this is where Toyota completely blows your expectations out of the water. The moment the door closes behind you, you're wrapped in a blend of modern luxury and calm sophistication. The cockpit is pure Toyota innovation. Black Nappa leather seats with contrast stitching, a massive 14-inch multimedia display that seamlessly transitions from navigation to RV-specific controls, and a digital instrument cluster showing everything from your water tanks to your solar battery levels. And right above you, an overhead cab bunk, perfectly integrated with the design, ready for guests, or a cozy nap spot on the go. But swivel that passenger seat around, and suddenly, you're in your living room. The slide-out lounge opens up into a surprisingly spacious living area. An L-shaped sofa in charcoal gray ultra-leather wraps around a foldable walnut dining table, with a retractable 43-inch 4K TV rising smoothly from the console. The lighting here is gorgeous. Soft LED strips hidden under cabinets, reflecting off matte black surfaces and wood grain accents. It's cozy, it's sleek, and it's somehow both minimal and incredibly detailed. You can tell Toyota took inspiration from modern yachts. Clean lines, rich textures, and a peaceful vibe that makes you forget you're on wheels. Moving into the galley kitchen, it's small, but every inch is premium. The black quartz countertop gleams under daylight streaming from the side window, paired with an induction cooktop, integrated sink, and carbon fiber-trimmed microwave. There's a pull-out spice rack, a fridge-freezer combo tucked neatly under the counter, and even a Toyota badge etched subtly into the cabinetry. A reminder of the craftsmanship behind it all. It's not just functional. It feels almost intentional, like a designer apartment kitchen scaled down for the road. And when it's time to rest, the rear bedroom transforms the space again. A queen-size Murphy bed folds down with a soft motion, revealing a full memory foam mattress and a black leather headboard with built-in reading lights. The nightstands each have wireless charging pads, the wardrobe slides open with mirrored doors, and warm LED lights dim to a perfect nighttime glow. It's peaceful, it's private, and it feels like a boutique hotel tucked inside an adventure machine. Even the bathroom, the smallest room in any RV, feels like a spa. The walls shimmer in a black marble finish, with a rainfall shower head, glass door, and teak floor grate underfoot. There's a backlit LED mirror above a quartz vanity and a sleek integrated toilet with a built-in bidet. You step inside, and it's like you've been teleported to a high-end penthouse bathroom, only this one moves with you. Now, all this luxury wouldn't matter if the drive didn't match the look. And this is where Toyota really flexes its engineering muscle. Powered by a hybrid V6 setup derived from the Sequoia's powertrain, this motorhome combines torque, silence, and fuel efficiency in a way no competitor has yet achieved. It's smooth on highways, powerful up steep inclines, and whisper quiet in electric mode. With adaptive suspension and real-time terrain response, it adjusts itself as you drive, turning every road into a comfortable glide. And while the performance is impressive, it's the driving experience that truly defines it. The cockpit feels more like a luxury SUV than an RV. Balanced steering, premium sound insulation, and a panoramic windshield that gives you that cinematic road trip view. You don't just drive this thing, you command it. Now let's talk about pricing, because you're probably thinking all of this must cost a fortune. And well, you're not entirely wrong. The 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome is expected to start around $450,000, depending on configuration. But here's the thing. For that price, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying freedom, a home that moves with you, that doesn't compromise comfort for adventure. And in 2026, where electric travel, sustainability, and minimalist living are shaping the future, Toyota has built something that captures it all. A symbol of balance, where technology meets tranquility and luxury meets exploration. So whether you're planning cross-country road trips or just looking for the perfect escape from the ordinary, this Toyota RV might just redefine what the future of travel looks like. It's elegant, it's intelligent, and above all, it's human, built for people who want to go everywhere, but never feel away from home. If you could take this luxury Toyota motorhome anywhere in the world, where would your first stop be? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Because, honestly, this isn't just an RV. It's the future, parked on your driveway, waiting to take you wherever the road dares to go.